currently getting ready for a drone show to celebrate Lyons High School. From Niwot to Erie, we've traveled all across the district performing our drone shows. These shows are put on by nearly 30 staff, most of whom are students from across the district.
It takes a lot of work to set up and perform our shows, and tonight's show is especially unique because our animation team has put in a lot of work into making exclusive animations.